So I can just click any 2 points, both sides, and script will generate for me this block. When you have elements like walls extracted by this script, which represented by rectangles and the axes, you can use them as a reference for placing doors, windows, or openings. So for example, here, if we want to place this door, we can run this script, select Walls Construction Tools, select that we want to add 2D door, then it will ask us to specify the wall for fitting. So we can click to this rectangle, and then script will ask us to specify first and second edges of this door. So I can just click any 2 points, both sides, and script will generate for me this block. Then I need to select one from these 4 options, how the door should be opened. So for example, if I choose that one, script will keep only that option for me and generate this 2D block. Then it will ask me to select second wall for fitting the new door. So for example, that's the second, first point, second point, and this option for placing this door. And very similar about openings like windows or just technical holes maybe. You can run the same script, same tool, but select add 2D window or opening. So script will ask you to specify the wall first, and then first and second edges. So for example, 1 and second. So it will generate for you here new block. So at the end, it will be simple blocks representing windows and representing the doors. If you have scenario where you have double door, you can run the script 2 times. For example, if I want to put double door here, I can select position for the first door, then I can click to the same wall, select position for the second door. In that case, it will be looks like this.